How's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to look at finding the equation of a tangent line. Tangent lines are really easy to find once we understand how to take the derivative of a function and utilizing what the derivative tells us at a given point. Well, we know that when we take the derivative and we plug in an x value. So, for example, looking at this point here, I have this function h of x, and when we take the derivative of h and we plug in our value, let's call that x1, and we plug in the value of x1 into our derivative, what we get is we get the slope at a. So when we take the derivative and we plug in an x value, we're getting the slope of that point at that of that function. And so we need to utilize that whenever we want to find the equation of a line. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative to find the slope at a given point. And then you're going to use point slope formula, which is just y minus y1 equals m, which is our slope. Remember, this is our m minus x1, x minus x1. And so it's very easy. You'll see how it works in this first example here. So they want us to find the line tangent to the function g of x equals 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4 at the point 1, 6. Now, again, this works no matter what the function is. It could be a cubic function. It could be a square root function. We could have whatever it might be. These same steps apply. When I want to find the tangent line, I'm going to take my derivative. So we have g prime of x equals 12x squared minus 4x. And I want to know what the slope is at the point 1. So I need to find the slope of the equation that we're building. And so we find that by taking that value of 1 and just plugging it into x. So g prime of 1 gives me 12 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1. Well, that's obviously going to give us 12 minus 4 equals 8. So g prime of 1 equals 8. So again, that tells me that whatever this function looks like, at the point 1, the slope is 8. Now, this is where that helps us because once we find the slope at that point, we can utilize our y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We're utilizing point slope formula to create the equation of our line. So go ahead and plug in your x value, our y value, and now we have our slope that we can plug in for m. So we have y minus, 6 equals our slope, which is 8, times x minus 1. Now it's a simple algebraic equation. Distribute that 8 in. I get y minus 6 equals 8x minus 8. Add 6 to both sides. We get our equation of the tangent line to be 8x minus 2. And that's it. That's how we find the equation of a tangent line at a given point. So again, take that first derivative, plug in the given point or wherever you're trying to find the slope of the tangent line, and then use point slope formula to find the rest of the equation. Now, oftentimes you may get asked to find the normal line. So tangents and normals kind of go hand in hand. So be sure to check out my other video of finding a normal line, and then you'll be squared away on both of those. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for checking it out.